The magic of just in English past perfect tense. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of the English language. We're focusing on the past perfect tense, but more specifically, we're going to talk about the time expression, just. This tiny word can create a huge impact when used correctly in past perfect sentences. Before we dive into just, let's take a quick refresher on the past perfect tense. The past perfect is used to show that an action happened before another action in the past. We form the past perfect tense with had plus past participle. For example, she had left before I arrived. Now, let's talk about just. Just is a time expression that is often used to indicate that an action happened a short time before the moment of speaking or a short time before another action. When just is used with past perfect, it emphasizes that the action was completed very recently in the past, relative to another past action. For instance, let's consider the sentence, "They had just left when we arrived." Here, the use of just indicates that their departure happened very shortly before your arrival. The formula to use just in the past perfect tense is subject plus had plus just plus past participle. Note that just goes between had and the past participle. Here are some examples. 1. I had just finished my work when the power went out. 2. She had just arrived at the station when the train left. 3. They had just started the meeting when the fire alarm went off. In each example, just shows that the first action was completed very shortly before the second one happened. For practice, try making sentences in the past perfect tense using just. It will help you familiarize yourself with this time expression and its placement in the sentence. Remember, practice makes perfect. Well, that's it for today's lesson on the use of just in past perfect tense. Remember, just is a powerful tool to emphasize the immediacy of a past action relative to another. I hope this lesson has just clarified your doubts about the usage of just in past perfect tense. Happy learning and see you in our next video.